what Obama did was get this law passed, but it's good, bad, or not, it got passed. And it's actually helping this 28-year-old girl, helping this other guy with education. All the things for a long time to come up with policy and anything else, but there are, it never been passed. It never, you know, you got an immigration bill that's in your office or whatever, with me, never got that's why I beat up on the ACA as much as this has happened. When it does have that official aspects of it. Myself, I could actually, if I changed my union service, could get some federal subsidies, which would help pay for the income.
But ACA, one thing I want to say, we didn't have 51 votes